Alrighty, hello everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to finally get this pomegranate tree that has two pomegranate trees that I've been growing from seed. And I put them in the same container, and I'm finally gonna separate them because they're already starting to show new growth, and I don't want them to start growing too much because I don't want to hurt their roots before their roots start getting too strong. And I'm gonna put these gloves on. I'm gonna be putting some of this. It's a 555 NPK fertilizer. And make sure everything looks good. Oh, the angle looks good. Okay. So right here, I already put some of this soil halfway into this one. I'm gonna put a little bit of fertilizer in there. Give it a little bit. Okay. Then here we go. Here's the pomegranate tree. I'm gonna put it in here. See how the roots are looking. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in here for now. And with this one, I'm gonna use the same bucket. Should be good, and I'm just gonna fill it up a little bit with some soil. So here we go, fill it up like halfway. I'm gonna put some fertilizer in there. I'm gonna mix it. Alright, so that should be good enough. Now, to separate it, it's gonna be the part. I think I'm gonna have to like loosen the dirt. Kind of rubbing my fingers through, so just to loosen it up, so I won't just yank on it too harshly. And it looks like you can start seeing a little bit of where they started blending themselves in together. And there we go. You can feel it pulling apart. There it is. See? There's one. Doesn't look too bad. That should be good. So there's one of them. Let's see how that looks. See the root? That's one pomegranate tree I've been growing from seed. I'll put it into one pot. it doesn't, you gotta make sure that it doesn't tangle itself out too much. You don't want it to strangle itself. It looked like it kind of wanted to. There we go. See how they're all feathered out now? So it should be okay. There goes the root system of this one. That's how this one's looking, growing in the same bucket. Oh, nice. Okay, so I'm gonna transfer it. And then I'm going to pour in a little bit more fertilizer to grow. So slow release. Okay, and I'm going to put some more soil on top. I was about to grab my video. Sorry about that, it fell. And let's see. I'm just gonna give them a watering. That's now this one's in by itself, so it doesn't have to share. And that's the same pot that they were both in. But look at how it looks more better by itself in there already. Give it a little bit more space. And then this one, transfer it over to a new pot, to its own container. And now that's what this one's looking like. Okay. And I'll let you know once we get more into spring, deeper into spring, and see them bloom. Hopefully they don't go into shock too much. Thank you for watching, everyone.